So we'll start our session. So once again, welcome to everyone on this digital platform. And let me introduce this forum. What is the purpose of this forum? So Institute Industry Forum, the aim of this forum is to bridge the gap between institute and industry. So under this forum, we arrange regular webinars from experts from industries as well as from institutions. Also, this forum is ISO 9001:2015 certified, and there are many more services we have started under this forum. So we have members in this forum from many reputed institutions as well as from industries like IITs, NITs, CPRI, NPTI. Then many regulatory bodies members are there. Also from various Gencos, Transcos, and Discoms, from Reliance, Tata, Adani, JSW, ABB, Siemens, G, and many more private companies are also working with us. So for the speakers, we give the certification of appreciation as well as remuneration also when there is a paid webinar, and also we give certificate of participation to the participants. Also, one of the activity to involve the students with our forum, we have started student forum. Especially under this forum, we provide the student guidance for their project, dissertation, as well as for thesis. And it is completely industry knowledge based because there are many members. We have also many members from industries. So we have promised practical knowledge. So we guide student for this. Also, we have more than 400 students connected in this forum across India. Also, we inform job updates from institution as well as from industries, and even abroad jobs also we inform here in this forum. So actually, what are the advantages we are getting by forming this forum? The gap which is in between knowledge and theory and practical, so that is going to be reduced. Also, practical knowledge we are imparting to the students. We are guiding them. And also under this forum, we have started career counseling, manpower supplier, placement services, and we have free job portal also. So in these webinars, we participate these students from these various colleges, engineering colleges. Also, we carried out feasibility and system studies for any project installation, commissioning, and testing, and also the events which are actually going to arrange by any institution or industry, so that we are communicating on the same platform. So due to these, there are so many benefits we are getting. So we have joint collaboration with Technovision Academy, which is ISO 9001:2015 certified organization, where we have started many courses, practical courses, industry-based courses, because every student, whenever we go for job, everyone asks for a practical knowledge. So we have started sharing this practical knowledge on this platform. We have this YouTube channel also, Technovision Academy, where you will get all these technical webinars as well as all personality development related webinars, job related webinars, everything you will get here. So different courses with the joint collaboration with Technovision Academy, we have started for different engineering branches. And these are actually practical because many people are from industry are connected with us. So we have started personality development courses also. And under this, one of the activity, today's session, that webinar we have arranged, especially for this personality development, communication skills, and many more things regarding our personality. So I welcome to Sonali Ukwas Madam. She is a director with Best English Academy. And I want to welcome her and introduce her on this platform of Institute Industry Forum. So I want to say something about her profile, that she is a She did her MBA and B Computer Science and Engineering from RTMNU Nagpur. Previously, she worked with Amazon India as a customer relationship manager. Also, she worked with Infotech as a software engineer. She has immense expertise and professional experience in the field of communications, and she is willing to work with institutions that help individuals gain command over languages and develop their personalities. So, evolve to be successful and confident individual professionals. She has very unique teaching methodology, or we can say unique style. Rather than teaching with monotonous practices, she has started her teaching with unique qualities. She has a basic. She is providing basic advanced communication skill trainings, personality development trainings at corporate level as well as for institutions as well as for the students. And also she is providing competitive exam grammar, that is English training, etc. Also, she has successfully passed national stock level. These are stock exchange exams. These are various levels are there. So she has qualified for many levels. So I once again welcome to ma'am and as well as all the participants on this platform. So I'm requesting to madam to start her presentation. Madam, you can present your screen now.
Hello, are you able to see me? Are you able to hear me? Hello?
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay, fine, thank you. So first of all, thank you so much, Santosh sir and Technovision Academy for providing me this platform to talk about one of my favorite topics. And not only a favorite topic, but this topic is the most required skill of today's era. That is the communication skill, public speaking, and personality development. So here we go. So here we are discussing why communication skills are important, why these skills are extremely necessary. If whether you are in a professionally in a government job or in a private corporate sector or in business or in any profile, why these skills are important. So we face many scenarios in our day-to-day life. So starting from if you are the person who faces such scenario, actually I have also faced these scenarios, these incidents in my life at the start of my career. So first scenario is like whenever you talk with your neighbors, relatives, friends, and any other person. So are you the person who generally says, "क्या आप मेरी बात समझ पा रहे हो? Are you getting what I'm trying to say?" अगर ये सिनारियो है, if the second scenario is like if you are at a good position in your organization. Okay, I am talking about any of the organization, government, private, or any business profile. Okay, you are at a good position, and but you are stuck somewhere. You are not getting promoted. You are just there at a one position from a long period of time. Okay, third scenario is like whenever you go for presentation of paper in academic or in an office, corporate office, so you face like you feel like your presentation is not impactful, your confidence is very low while delivering the presentation, and you stuck in the middle way due to the lack of what body language is not showing that much confident. Okay, so lack of presentation skill. The fourth scenario is like some people from you must be facing like difficulty in facing interview. Like you know everything when you go for the interview, you know everything about the topic. You have a sound technical knowledge. You have an awesome professional background. Everything is good, but whenever you sit in front of influential people or higher authority, you got just speechless. Okay, you face lack of words, you feel confused and puzzled, and whatever you have mugged up or whatever you know will get vanished. Okay, so these are the scenarios which are generally faced by many of the people among us. Okay, so he, if you are one of them, then this is the time to think about that. Do I communicate effectively? Do I am able to convey my message to other person in a proper way? Think and think, because this is the area where most of the people lack. Actually, communication skill work for those who work for it. You have to work on the communication skills effectively. And if you are the person who is not able to transfer the message effectively, then you should know that from the academic, from the schooling background, you can say, actually, the communication skill is why important, because in your overall success, in any person's overall success, you can say this is a study report. This is not what I am telling you. This is a study report which says 5% academic knowledge is important and 5% academic knowledge is a part of person 100% success. Only 5%. And we work so hard for our academic knowledge, but you can see only 5% of academic knowledge is important for your success. The study has conducted from many of the successful people, and you also know that many of the successful people are college dropouts. So what is that quality in them which push them to the higher level? So in the next slide we are going to discuss over that. So second is 15% of your professional experience. Professional experience is must. Actually, experience is what makes a person knowledgeable, but only 15% of professional experience is countable when we talk about the success of a person, professional success or overall success of a person. Okay, and here comes a diamond. 80% of communication skills, people. 80% of communication skill is 80% of communication skill is seem to be important for person overall growth. So here we can see the importance of communication skill, importance of conveying your message, importance of sharing the message, sharing the intention to other people. This comes under 80% of your professional success. You can see when you enter any organization after completing your graduation, after completing your any course, when you enter, there also you need communication skill. But there are some scenarios where you can enter with your strong academic background. But when you enter the organization, it's the obvious feeling that you want to become, after some time, you want to become a team leader, head of the department, marketing manager, area manager. For that post to achieve, you need a proper communication skill, because once you enter the organization, how you are interacting with people there and how you are handling the situation there makes most of the sense. Okay, the next is like in general life, when you sometimes this happens like you talk with other person with one intention, but other person assumes something different. So that is called a non-effective communication, and this happens with us most of the time. Okay, so this is also one of the barrier for communication. Now, the globalization is like communicate globally. What is communicate globally? English is the key to success. We want to communicate, right? We want to communicate in a good manner. Now, the whole world has gone global. Actually, from the 2.5 years that we are facing the corona pandemic, this pandemic has taught us like the only those people whose job or whose business were online, any digital marketing, digital presence, those who were having digital presence have survived. Other people has gone total blank, total broken in this era. So if we want to go digitally, if we want to have our presence online, whether it's a job presence or corporate presence or a business presence, if you want to have a presence online, we need a good communication skill. And as we want to communicate globally, for communicating globally, we need a good global language. English is a global language, everyone know, but we need a fluency in English, because fluency in English is needed to communicate with variety of people from different backgrounds. So if we want to have a good bonding with people from other background, if you have a job, you want to approach the opportunities all over the world, you want to approach the opportunity globally, you want to take your business to the global level. Actually, in Corona time, those who have a multiple source of income, so that way the people who survived, other people have just faced lot of losses. You must be knowing that there are many suicide cases during Corona time. People died by Corona as well as by suicide also, due to the financial losses, because the main reason was like they were having only one source of income. You should have a multiple source of income. And how the communication and multiple source of income I am just correlating is like, when you have a good communication skill, when you have a command over English language, then you can take your business to the other branches, you can take your business to the all over world, and the opportunities will be diversified. So you get more opportunities to earn the income. I will take my example. Okay, I'm running two YouTube channel, one YouTube channel from 4 years, and one YouTube channel I have just started. So I have generated like 8 to 9 lakhs of income without doing anything, without just because of my communication skill. So you just want to grab, you just have to grab the opportunities that is present online. Today's era is the online era. So English, if you have a command over English, you can communicate globally. Okay, if your conversation are to the point, your social standing will get enhanced. So the English importance you are getting from the global communication. So as per this English importance and communication skill importance, we people have formed two or three of the courses which are basically based on practical approach. Communication skills. Okay, I will cover this also. Communication skill is not just a conversation skill, means a speaking skill. It comes under various things like written communication also comes under communication skill. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication seems like a body language. I will cover that in next slide in a detailed manner. Presentation skill. That is when we present anything to the other person, to meetings or in any other event. Okay. Patient education is like a employee education, the employees who are under you. Okay. Compassion, that is a sympathy or empathy you have towards other people while talking. Compassion, cultural awareness, when you're speaking to the people with variety of background, you have cultural background also. So if you have a good communication skill, good knowledge, you can correlate with them, you can bond with them in a good manner. Personal connection, of course, if your communication skill are going in the right direction, your personal connections with other people, with higher position people, or with your colleagues, or with any other people from different background will get enhanced. Trust factor. Trust factor also comes under effective communication skill. Verbal communication comes under speaking skill, which is the most talked about part of a communication skill. So covering all these communication aspects, we have designed 3 courses. Main courses are 2, which are basically the courses that will make you effective in communication skill and your overall personality development. So this advanced communication skill and personality development course is for the people who knows basic English and they lack fluency, because most of the time, the people who are at a good position in offices, they know the English, they know how to construct a sentence, but they lack fluency because they don't find any people to talk with. Because in India, we tend to talk in our local language only. There are some very limited scenarios where we talk in English, but most of the time we talk in local language. And here is the problem, because when we don't get a people to talk with English, when we don't get a practical knowledge, when we don't get a surrounding, we tend to forget the things. So this course covers like communication skill, confidence building, how to speak. The English speaking confidence building will get covered in this course. Okay. All right. The course is, I'm repeatedly saying this, the course is based on practical approach, because I am not a person who tends to do rhetoric things, who tends to do monotonous things. Okay. So this course consists of impressive English expression for everyday use, how to develop your communication skills, most mispronounced word to enhance your languages, quick grammar recap. Okay, this both courses, next course I will explain next slide. These courses are like customized. If any student want that this topic I need most attention, so this also gets covered in advanced communication skill and personality development course, because you can't sit with everybody, and every student has some lacking in certain areas. Okay, some have a good grammar, so their vocabulary is not that good. So we are here to emphasize on which is the area that you are lacking. You can tell us, and we are here to work hard on you. Okay, the quick grammar recap, vocabulary, communication barriers, 40 hacks to improve your spoken English, 80 activities for enhancing fluency of English. Here in this course, I cover personality development also, in that whatever be the interview, means whether you are going to meet anybody for marriage, right from that to any interview, that is UPSC interview also. So I'm going to cover all the interview skills in this. Okay, alert body language, presentation skill, leadership skill, self grooming, identifying one's strength and weakness. Identifying one's strength and weakness seems a very low profile topic, but this is the most important topic, because most of the time, till we reach the age 30 or 40, we write in a resume, but we personally don't know what is your strength and weakness. We just write in a resume, but if we just know that what is the area that we have a strength on, and we work on that, we can generate a multiple sources of income, because India is having a lot of population. There are so many people to hear you. There are so many people that want a certain qualities in you. You just need to search those people, and we are here to help you in that. Okay, identifying one's strength and weakness, social etiquette, whether you're from any background, the social etiquettes will also get covered, international corporate dressing, public speaking, and audience puller techniques, corporate etiquette, and many other topics get involved in advanced communication skill and personality development course. Okay. All right. Second course is basic communication skill, that is English speaking and personality development course. Here also I will cover personality development, but this course is for the people, for the students specifically, those who don't know the basic knowledge of English. Okay. All right. I will cover everything about English speaking and communication skill and personality development in this course. You can overview this as a weekly presentation of grammar and sentence construction practice, daily reading and new words practice, Hindi to English conversion. Hindi, why I'm saying it is the most means Indian, most talked Indian language, but you are from any background, any local language background, to English conversion practice I will take in this. Personality development consists of the same factors which are included in advanced basic English, basic communication skill course. That is interview skill, body language, presentation, resume preparation also, boosting English speaking confidence, leadership skills, self-grooming, identifying one's strength and weakness, approaching job and business opportunities. Okay, the student who want to do business, okay, business, or they want to go for job, we are here, we have tied up with various placement agencies. So approaching, how to approach job and approach, how to crack your first interview, how to impact them, how to have a first impression, all things will get covered in this course. Okay, this is mainly for students. You can also join if you have, you should know that where you are standing, you have a basic English knowledge or you don't have, you want to start from the basic. This course, these two courses cover everything. Okay, the next is like a grammar for competitive exam, be it any competitive exam like MPSC, SBI, IBPS, SSC, UPSC, banking, or RRB. All grammar, all the conversion practice, all the passage conversion, and everything will get covered in grammar for competitive exam. I have designed this course keeping in mind for the student concession as well as first come first serve basis concession. So you will get a money back guarantee as well as you are going to get a good opportunities after this course, and you will see the changes in your personality after this course. So these are the overview about courses. So we will cover slightly a different aspects of communication. Communication, as I say, a consciousness is one of the aspects. Much unhappiness has come into the world because many things left unsaid. Okay. Wise men speaks because they have something to say, and the fool speaks because they have to say something. So the communicate, you should communicate with other person like they communicate with you. You want they communicate with you when your position gets reversed. You should have a consciousness while speaking anything to other person, whether you are conveying your message in a smooth way, in a in a polite way. Your consciousness matters a lot in case of communication. Second, and the most important, is listening. Active listening. Biggest problem in communication is that the illusion that it has taken place. We understand, we assume that the communication has taken place. We talk and just end of the communication. We are not ready to listen to others. Active listeners are very rare, and the listening skills, the right word may be effective, but no word was ever as effective as rightly timed pause. You need to pause while speaking. There is only one rule for being a good talker, that is learning to listen. Okay, we have 2 ears and one mouth. That is, we have to listen more and speak less. Of course, we are going to learn English speaking, but active listening is the basis of a awesome conversation practice. Okay, any problem, be big or small, in your family, take it in your family or in a professional life or in organization, always seems to start with one bad communication habit, that is, someone is not listening at all. Okay, confidence. The confidence is like when you talk, there are so many aspects of confidence. Who you are is speaking so loudly that I cannot hear what you are saying. You can have a brilliant ideas, but if you cannot get them across, your ideas won't get you anywhere. Communication is a skill that you can learn. It's like riding a bicycle or typing. If you work at it, you can rapidly improve the quality and every part of your life. Ask most of the therapists, when you go with a therapist of psychology or any, okay, they will tell you that good communication is the heart of any successful relationship. Okay, all right. The open-mindedness is also one of the factors for good communication. The open-mindedness covers, like, trust is the glue of life. If effective ingredient in the communication, like open-mindedness, Lot of problem in the world will get solved when you talk with each other rather than talking about each other. We have to make sure that we should talk with each other in a way that heals, not that wounds. All right. Respect. While talking with each other, we should have a respect for what other person is saying. I think for any relationship to be successful, be it a professional relationship or any personal relationship, you need to have a loving communication, appreciation, and understanding. All right. So, body language. Here comes a body language that is one of the most important aspects of communication. Okay. Body language. All right. Body language is the language that you hear when nothing is said. Okay. It when you have a good body language, when you have a confident body language, it not only attracts the audience, but it also raises your self-esteem. The body language, as you can see, the communication consists of 7% of words, 38% of tone of the voice, and 55% of the body language. Most of the time, what body language, what we are going to learn in body language is that we will learn about how how we should possess an impressive body language, and how we can interpret, how we can understand that what other person is trying to tell us. Body language is all about trying to understand the intention and emotion of other person by their what actually body language consists is your eye contact, your hand movement, your sitting posture, your talking posture, your bodily movement is what the body language consists. So we will master over the body language, that rather than speaking, the other person will get impressed by just seeing you. Okay, the body language is what that matters. Public speaking. The benefits of public speaking. The practicing public speaking can not only help you to overcome your fears and weaknesses. Okay? So public speaking is a topic. You know what? Public speaking is the scariest, the most scary, the most scary form of communication. Only 1% of the people is able to speak in front of thousands of people, because you need some basic qualities. You need that, but it's not like that you can't learn this skill, public speaking skill. But when you learn this public speaking skill, you are going to take your professional, whether you are in a business, whether you are in a job, you are going to take your profession to the next level. Because the more you expose yourself, more you push yourself to speak in front of others, more you will become confident. Okay, it will raise your self-esteem. Like it brings a wealth of advantage both personally and professionally. Your confidence will have no bounds. Okay, public speaking improves career advancement. It will radically improve your career, and we are here to teach you the public speaking. This is the most important skill, but very few people able to acquire it. But once you join us, as we are mostly concentrated on practical acts of speaking, we are mainly focused and we are mainly work on your public speaking capacity. And you know what? Everyone has that capacity, but there is a hidden, and we are here to show you that you have that capacity. There are many people you can see that once they have a good amount of experience, what we can say, on first interaction, everybody gets frightened. But once you get habit, and we are here to make your practice regular pattern. Okay, make your practice on a regular pattern, so the public speaking will be very easy for you. Public speaking helps with business networking. The business networking, actually the contacts, whatever the contacts you have, your contacts are your real money. Whatever the contacts you have acquired till now, your communication, your way of dealing with others' emotion have made them strong. Your contacts have made strong over the years, and your contacts gets you more money. Every contact is important because you don't know from where you will get a good opportunity to success in your career. Okay. All right. The public speaking helps with the self promotion. Not only your personal confidence get you in your personal life, the confidence will get increased, but in professional life also. Okay. So you can say anything to anyone, but how you say it will decide how they will react. This is the basic conversation skill in your offices, in your daily life. Okay. All right. The next is personality development. Okay. As our main topic, like as I'm talking about communication skill, public speaking, and the third part is a personality development. It consists of a overall personality development, right? From your body language, your speaking ability, your written skill ability, and everything that comes under personality development. When you when you really feel that you have developed various aspects of your personality in a very better way, it will it will not only overcome your stress issue. You know what, those people who have a nice social bonding, nice social interaction, they tend to have a less stress level. This is a study says. Okay, so importance of personality development first come as it overcome your stress issues, makes you look smart in the crowd. Okay, it boosts your self confidence. Public speaking and personality development, public speaking and communication go hand in hand. Actually, knowing others is intelligence, knowing yourself is a true wisdom, and mastering others is a strength, but mastering yourself is a true power. You need to surrounding yourself, you need to surround yourself with the people who will see worth in yourself when you are not able to see, because every person has unique strength, but most of the time we ourselves we are not able to see our strength. There are the people who are surrounding you, your family members, your some close friends from your company or your professional background or in any other way. They just see the strength in you, so it improves your social interaction. Your developed personality improves your social interaction, and eventually it will it will boost your confidence, makes you smart, improves your attire, because personal development not only not only makes your overall mental capacities boosting way, but your improves our attire, as the corporate dressing is also included in personality development. So this is the point, improves our attire, makes us reliable, that other person rely on you in a 100% way, because you have made your you have just uh, transferred your intention, you have just conveyed your intention so perfectly to the other person. They have 100% trust on you that you are the person who will do the job in a most effective way. It develops positivity. That is, when you feel good about yourself, when you are well dressed, when you know that whatever you are going to speak, the other person are going to listen you, because you are making the point, you are speaking to the point, that it develops the positivity about yourself in your mind as well as in other person's mind. Okay, so it develops the positivity in your life, making new friends. As I said, the social good communication skill eventually gets you a good social interaction, and after that the result will making new friends, and the cycle then returns. It will overcome your stress issue. A good social interaction makes us smart, boost confidence, and everything related to our overall personality. So this is all about communication skill, personality development, and your public speaking. This is the all that I want to deliver. So thank you so much again for everybody. that you have given me a chance here to talk. And okay, have a good day. And if anyone has a question, they can write in the chat box. Santosh sir, are you audible? Are you
Yeah,
hearing me?
yes, madam. Yeah. So please write your queries in chat box. Madam will give answer to your queries. Yeah, there is one query, madam.
Okay, all right. I'm not able to see actually.
Oh, actually, they are saying that, ma'am, participants will get certificate or not. Means you are talking about course certificate or webinar certificate? Are you talking about what? For this webinar, actually, we can issue the certificate. There is no issue. Yes, you will get. So this academy is in Mumbai actually. Any other queries? So here in chat box number is given. So for your further queries and inquiry for the courses, you can contact on this number. Uh, Again, there is someone has written. Yes, just we can give the address. So there is no issue. You can just WhatsApp on this number which is given. So we'll give this address. Yeah, certificate will come on email. Any other query? You can write here. Madam, I think there is no more queries now.
Okay.
So should I conclude now?
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay, so specially thanks to Sonali madam delivering this wonderful session. Really, it was very nice session for everyone's development. It is most important aspects. This we have to look whenever we have to go for a job. So this is most important for us. And I'm also thankful to all of participants. So your presence is most important for us. So once again, I am thankful to all of you on behalf of All India Institute Industry Forum and Technovision Academy. Thanks to all of you.